the Philippines has not achieved its 100% electrification goal. Primarily, this is because some areas in the Philippines, such as in Mindanao, are geographically isolated. Their terrain is not able to be transmitted with electricity, and they also have no access to traditional fossil fuels.
Ang Mindanao, kulelat kayo. Daghan pagyapoy mga kabalayan sa kabukiran nga walay kuryente. Ang mga bata ga-study gamit ang lampara. Sa sige nilang study, wa sila kabalo. Ang ilang mga ilong, itom kayo. Kailangan ta mag-solar.
Some areas in Mindanao that cannot be reached with the grid can actually utilize the sun as the source of energy. With this, solar PV is a good source of energy as they can be deployed easily, especially in areas when there are climate risks and also when there are hazards existing.
Kabalo mo, ang adlaw, libre. Dili lang ta magsigreklamo kay mo basa tong ilog tungod sa kainit, but ang adlaw makahatag og source sa electricity. Ang panels, balag kung sa kakalayo, pwede rin mo dalon. Kaysa tinod anay lang, kung layo kay ka sa dapit, tagpila ng mga poste o mga wire, hastang mahala. Solar panels.
One of the benefits that we can get from solar PV is that these systems allow us to reduce our emissions. In fact, the Philippines' target is about 75% reduction in our GHG emissions by 2030. And I believe personally that we can achieve this by using solar panels.
Bahalag mo daghan pa ng mga green-minded yan. Okay ra ko. Ayaw lang din ng mga greenhouse gases. Please, ato nang stop. And of course, okay ra nang daghan na kayo may mga hot guys. Pero kung ang kalibutan, magkainit, daghan ang bagyo, daghan ang let's stop climate change. Karon na.
One of the economic benefits of using solar PV is that the cost of solar panels has decreased for the past decade. In fact, it does not use traditional fossil fuels, and this will reduce our energy costs at home. Nationally, we will also have reduced importation of fossil fuels.
Ingon nila lami magmahal. Ingon nila, ay, kalami ang feeling na magmahal. Pero kung atong electricity o kuryente ang magmahal, cannot bring. Sa Bisaya pa, di na madala. Makadawat na sa atong mga notice of disconnection sa kuryente. Hindi madalag hangyo sa atong pagmamahal. So, kailangan magtipid. Solar panels, solar energy. Ay makatipid.
In Mindanao, where the climate risk is really high because of our vulnerability, we've seen the benefits of using solar PVs. In the past, we've seen tropical storms Sendong, even Super Typhoon Pablo and Yolanda hitting the island. We've seen this that when there are typhoons, such as what happened when Sendong, Pablo, and even Yolanda hit the islands of Mindanao and even in Visayas, the first source of energy that was deployed was solar PV. We can really see these benefits as we try to outgrow ourselves in connecting to the grids. In these instances, we can really use solar PVs as our climate solution.
Yes, bagyo, trahedya. Sorry guys, di na ko kaya mag-joke ani. Makatroma ang trahedya. Sorry, ikat na to. Wait. Ang solar, mas nindot, dagay benepisyo, mas barato, makatipid. So, siya itong giulatan.
Tama ka, Bird! Ang electricity cost nato sa solar PV mas barato compared sa even sa atong mga fossil fuels. In fact, mas barato pa kini kaysa hydro. Ang kulang lang gid nato ang pagpasabot sa tanan unsa ang atong benefit gikan aning solar PV.
Tama! Mo sana ko madunggan nga mahal ang solar. Pero, usa pa may pwede nga mga magamitan nato ani?
When we hear about solar, we mostly think that it can be just a plain of panels that we can attach in our roofs. But actually, there are also other uses to it, just like solar electrical posts, as well as for pumping water in irrigation systems. There are also systems now that utilize solar technology for small devices. So this begs the question, why don't we use it as a whole?
Wow! Amazing! Grabe ang benefit sa solar. Pwede magamitan ng solar sa daghang butang. Pwede na to tibuok Mindanao solar. What you think? Hi, I'm Bernie Bitog-Bitog Esparcia, a former radio and TV personality, a matinee idol, turned stand-up comedian, and now a city councilor.
Hello everyone, I'm Jefferson Ramos Valiente Jr., a faculty member of the Xavier University College of Engineering. I also used to work with the Mindanao Clean Energy Living Laboratories, where I serve as the component leader for GIS mapping and impact assessment.
Unsa pa yung giulatan? Follow the Mindanao Go Solar movement.
So what are you waiting for? Follow the Mindanao Go Solar movement. If you're for sustainability or if your heart is for the environment, follow the Mindanao Go Solar movement.